Thomas J. DeFelice Jr., Circle BMW. Tom DeFelice goes that extra mile for his customers. A third-generation auto executive, Tom formed Circle BMW in 1981, establishing a personal approach to sales and service. Overcoming numerous challenges in that 31 years of operation, Tom and his company distinguishes itself no matter what the customer need may be.
If you ask me what my secret to success is, it's probably my own determination and that determination spawning others to be as determined as I am.
Today, Circle BMW is the region's premier luxury auto dealership, driven by Tom's unwavering attention to detail.